So we'll find the lowest common multiples to this. So please pay attention, okay? Okay, don't distract it. So find the lowest common multiples of 38, 46, and 84, right? So what is the LCM of 38? Okay, 38, you use 2, okay? So 2 is the lowest multiple. You use 2. 2 can go in 38. Just pay attention to the way I'm going to do this. I'm not going to go long way of doing LCM like long division. Okay, but just study the way I'm going to do this. 2 in 3 will give you 1, right?
Yes, sir.
You write 1, and here now it will remain 1, right? If you put the 1 towards this 18, this 8 here, it becomes 18, right? 2 in 18 will give you 9, because you know 9 plus 9 will give you 18. Agree? So we have 19. So now we say what will go inside 19 without remainder. Now, if you look at this, you will notice that if to go inside 19, it will be how many times? Now, there's a mistake here. If to go into 3, it will be 1. If to go inside 18, it's not 9, it's actually 16. It's actually it's actually 9, right? Because 9 plus 9 is equals to 18, right? So this is 19, right? Now 2 cannot go inside 19, right? What can divide 19 without remainder? So there is no number. 10 can go with the remainder, and if you use 3, there will still be a remainder, right? So what we use, we still just use 19, because no number can divide 19 without a remainder, right? So at this point, we just use 19. 19 and 19 will give us 1. So our answer now is 2 times 19. So we say 19 times 2. 2 times 9 will give us 8. And then 2 times 9 will give us 18. We write 8 carry 1. 2 times 3, 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, 3, which is 38. So we know the LCM of 38 is 2 times 19, which is equals to 38. Do you understand? Do you understand me? So this is the LCM. Now let's look for 46. What is the LCM of 46? So we say 46. What can divide 46 without the remainder? 2. We can use 2. So 2 in 4 will give us 2. 2 in 3 will give 2 in 6 will give us 3, right? Now, what number can go inside 3 without remainder? What number can go inside 3 without remainder? Now, we know that if we use 3, 3 in 20, 3 in 21 is actually 7, right? But there will be a remainder, right? So, what number can divide 23 without remainder? If we use 7, 7 can go 3 times, it will be remainder 2. So it can go. And then the only number that can go here without remainder is 23. Okay? So it's 23 in 23 will give us 1. So the answer is equals to 23 times 2, which is equals to 46. Do you understand? So we find the LCM of 84. Remember, this is B, this is C. 2 in 84, 2 in 8 will give us 4, 2 in 4 will give us 2, 2 in 4 is 2, 2 in 2, 1, right? At this point, what can divide this without a remainder? We can use 3, right? 3 can go inside 2 into 1, 7 times, right? Because 3 times 7 is 21, right? 3 times 7 is 21. So we now use 7. 7 is 7 is equals to 1. So this is equals to 2 times 2 times 3 times 7, which is equals to what? 20. 2 times 2 is what? 4. 4 times 3 is what? 12. 12 times 7 is 12 times 7. 7 times 2 gives us 14, right? 4, carry 1, right? 7 times 1 will give us 7 plus 1, 84. So the answer here is equals to 84. Okay? are the lowest common multiples. So all of these are the lowest common multiples of 84. So the next one we'll be looking at is 98. So we say 98. What can divide 98 without a remainder? We use 2. 2 in 9 will give us 4, remainder 1. Right? So we'll put 4. We'll put 1 here, will be 18. 2 in 18 is 9. Right? Now, we now use, what can go inside now without remainder? We use 7. Yeah. 7 times 7 is what? 49. 49. So 7 in 49 is 7. And then we use 7 again. 7 is 7, 1. So the lowest common multiples here is 2 times 7 times 7, which is equals to 98. Because 2 times 7 is what? 14. 14 times 7. So we say 14 times 7. 7 times 4 is what? 28. So write 8 carry 2. 7 times 1, 7 plus 2 will give us 9. So this is the lowest common multiple. I don't know if you understand. Should we do more examples? We do more examples. What's this one? I have something I can use. The duster, yes. Let me clean this. Exactly, the multiplication table. Yes, it really helps. It really helps. Yes, hope you know multiplication table. You can really write multiplication table. Can you write multiplication table from 13 to 20? Like you say 13 times 1, 13, 13 times 2 to 12, and then you go again to 20. Can you do that? So on the new book you're going to buy, I want you to do that, okay? Just do that 13 times to 20 times, okay? You write it in the new book you are going to buy, okay? On the mathematics one. So I wanted to find the LCM of this order following 100, B, 208, C, 300, D, 400, E, 544, F, 628. So let's find the LCM of these ones, okay? Now we take A. What is the LCM of A? So we say 100 divided by 2. 2 in 10 is 5. You bring down 0. Just clear how I'm dividing this, okay? 2 in 10 is 5. You bring down 0. So don't go doing long division. Now, what can divide 2 again? We still use 2. 2 in 5 is 2. Right? It remains 1. We'll put the 1 here in this 0. It will be 10. 2 in 10 is 5. Now you know that 2 cannot go inside 25, so we use 5, right? 5 in 25 will give us 5. 5 in 5 is 1. Remember, once you divide and you reach up to 1, you stop. Okay? So the LCM is 2 times 2 times 5 times 5, which is equals to 100. Do you understand? These are the lowest common multiple. I don't know if you follow me. Okay? So we also have another one. So we also have B 208. So say 208 divided by 2. 2 in 2 will give us 1. We'll bring down 0. 2 in 8 is 4. Do you see how I did it? Okay, so we use 2 again. 2 in 10 will give us 5. 2 in 4 will give us 2. See it, right? So we use 2 again. 2 in 5 will give us 2. The remaining one, we put it here. It becomes 6, right? So we now say 2 in 2 again will give us 1. 2 in 6 will give us 3, right? So now when we go inside 13, there is no number that can go inside 13 without the remainder. So we use 13. So 13 in 13 is 1. So this is equals to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. sometimes they tell you leave your answers in index form, right? Index form is, since this is 2, 2, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4. You just say 2 raised to the power of 4 times 13, which is equals to 208. Do you understand? Do you understand? Okay. Let's do this other one. Number C. We say C, we say 300 divided by 2. 2 here, 2 in 3. Just look at how I'm going to do it. 2 in 3 will give us 1, right? It remains 1. We put the 1 here, here becomes 10. 2 in 10 will give us 5, we bring down 0, right? 2 in 15 will give us what? 7, right? So 7 plus 7 is 12. Will give us 7, remain the 1. Put the 1 here, here becomes 10. 2 in 10 will give us 5, right? Now 2 cannot go inside 75 without remainder. But let's see where that 3 can go. If we say 3 in 7, what will it give us? It will give us 2, which remains 1. We'll put 1 here because 15. 3 in 15 will give us 5, right? At this point, 5 can go. We say 5 into the 5, we put 5. 5 into 5 will give us 1. So that's the answer is equals to 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 5, which is equals to 300, right? So the next one we have is 400. So if we have 400, we say 400 divided by 2. 400 divided by 2 is just 200, right?
Yes.
Half of 400. We say half of 200 is what? 100, right? Because 2 in 2, 1. We bring down the zeros. Okay? Now 2 in 100 is what? 50. Half of 100 is 50, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then 2 in 50 will give us what? 25, right? So we now use 5. 5 in 5 will give us 5. 5 in 5, 1, right? So the multiples is equals to 2 times 2 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, times 2 times 5 times 5. So what is the index form of this one? How do you write this in index form? So since 2 is into 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, we see 2 raised to the power 4, right? Times 2 is 1, 2, we see 5 raised to the power 2. It's the same thing to give us 400, okay? So we say find the LCM was 544. Find the LCM 544. 544. 2 and 5 will give us 2. Remainder 1. We put 1 here, become 14. 2 in 14 will give us 7. 2 in 4 will give us 2. 2 in 2, 1. 2 in 7, 3. Remainder 1 will put 1 here, become 12. 2 in 12, 6. 2 in 13 is 6. Remainder 1. Put 1 here, 16. 2 in 16 is 8. 2 in 6 is 3. 2 in 8 is 4, right? Now 2 in 3, 1. We bring the 1 here. It's 14. 2 in 14, 7, right? Now 2 cannot divide this. The only thing that can divide is 17. So we just put 1. So what is the? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So index form we just say 2 raised to the power 5 times 17. You agree with this one? Okay. So we go to L. We have 6 to 8 divided by 2. 2 in 6 is 3. 2 in 2, 1. 2 here, 4. Now we say 2 in 3, 1. When the 1, we put the 1 here. Here becomes 11. 2 in 11 will give us 5. And the 1, we put the 1 here is 14. 2 in 14 will give us 7. Right? So let's see if 3 cannot go as well. Because if 3 goes here, it's over 5. And then we have 7 here, it cannot go. So what can we use to divide this without remainder? The only number that can divide this without remainder is 157 because it's a prime number. The prime number is the number that can be divided by 1 and itself. Okay?
Yes.
Now 157 divided by this will give us 1. So this is 2 raised to the power 2 times 157. Okay? Alright, so now there's another form format in doing LCM is combination of numbers. Instead of doing singular whole numbers, we have more than one whole number. And for example, this is what I'm going to do. Instead of saying A and this, we say 100 and 208. So we want to do 100 and 208. And then we do 300 and 400. And then we do 544 and 628. So when we say 100 and 208, so this is how it will be. We'll put them together, we'll do them once. So now, doing this once, we say 2 in 100 will give us 50, 2 here will give us 10, 2 here will give us 4. You follow me? 2 here will give us 25, 2 here will give us 5, 2 here will give us 2. 2 here cannot go, right? But 2 can go here, right? So we say 2 here will bring that 25, will bring 2 here will give us 2. We bring the 1 here, it will become 6, right? 2 can still go because 25, 2 can go in 26, but 2 cannot go in 25, so we still use 2. We bring that 25. 2 in 26 will give us 2 here, 1, 2 here, 3, right? At this point, what's going to go? We use 5 because this is a prime number. It can only be divided by 13, right? So we use 5 here. 5 here will give us 5. And then this one will give us 13. So we still use 5. You use the lowest number so before you go to the highest number. Then you say 5 in 5 here will give us 1. And then this is 13. So we say 13 in 13 will give us 1. Right? So what we have here is, let's put the answer in index number 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll say 2 raised to the power 4 times 5 raised to the power 2 times 13. Do you understand? Do you understand? So the answer will now be 2 times 2 is what? 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 5, so we have 16 times 5. 16 times 5 is 30, so we write 0 carry 3. This times this will give us 5, plus this will give us 80. 80 times 5. This will give us 0. 5 times 8 is what? 5 times 8. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 6, 30. 5 times 7, 35. 5 times 8, 40, right? Right? So remember here we carried, there's something we carried here, right? Because 5 times 0 is 0, so 5 times 8 is 40, so this is 400, right? So 400 times 13. 400 times 13, okay? This times 0, 0, this times 0, 0. 3 times 4 give us 12. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 4, 4. We add it together, 0, 0, 2, 5. So the LCM is equals to 5,200. That's the LCM of 128 will give us 5,200. Do you understand? Do you understand? Okay, so we'll go for 400 and 300. Now we have 400 and we have 300. 400, 300, we say 2 in 400 will give us 200. 2 in this will give us 150. 2 in 200 will give us 100. 2 here. 2 in 15 is 7. Remember, put the 1 here. This is 75. 2 here will give us 50. The 2 cannot go here without remainder, so bring it down 75. At this point, we can still use 2. 2 here will give us 25. This is still 75. At this point here, we can use 5, right? 5 can go here 5 times. 5 here, 1. 5 and 25 was 15. Right? No, 5 here will give us 1. 5 in 15 because remember 1, 5 in 15 will give us 5. Right? Now, we're going to say 5 in 5, 1. 5 in 15, 3. Right?
Yes.
So what is going to go? Now, at this point, you notice something. At this point, it will warrant us to use 3 here, but it's not an idea something. The bigger number should not come up before the smaller number. All the smaller numbers should be exhausted before going into the bigger number. So what we're going to do now, we're going to remove this, and use 3 instead. Now 3 in 24 25 will still give us 25 because 3 into 25 will be a remainder. But 3 can go inside 75 without a remainder. Now 3 in 7 will give us 2. 3 in 15 will give us 5. So you see, at this point we have 25, 25. At this point now we can use 5. 5 into 5, 5. 5 into 25, 5. We now use 5. 5 into 5, 1, 1. So this is supposed to setting it in index format 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 raised to power 4 times 3 times 5 raised to power 2. So 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 3. We say 16 times 3. 6 times 3 is what? 18. So write 8 carry 1. 3 times 1, 3 plus 1, 48. 48 times 5. 8 times 5 will give us what? 8 times 5 is 40, right? So we say 0 carry 4. 4 times 5, 20 plus 4 give us 24. 24, 240 times 5. Okay, we say another 5. So 5 times 0 give us 0. 5 times 4, 20, right? 0 carry 2. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2 will give us 1, 2. So we have about 1,200. So the LCM of 400 and 300 is equals to 1,200. Do you understand? You have it for me. Okay, you have it for me. So it's just combination of numbers. Okay. As far as you understand that single way I did it, you'll be able to do this other one. So finally, we're going to do 5, 4, 4, and 6, 8, 6 students. Okay. So I'm going to wipe up this area.
Do you understand the LCM of 500 and 300? And 400 and 300?
You sure? Should I give you the
Did
marker?
you understand it?
Can you do it to the wall? If I give you the marker, can you come here and do it?
Was it 400 and 300?
Yes, 400 and 300.
So what's the LCM?
Yes, we'll go to 1,200 as the answer.
Of how many? What's the LCM?
The LCM is 1,200. Let's do it again.
I want the LCM should be an index number.
Yes, we did it in Mingus format. We had 2 raised to power 4, 5 raised to power 2. Then we also have 3. So 2 raised to power 4 times 3 times 5 raised to power 2.
So what actually is the LCM?
Yeah, the LCM now is the sum of those index number, which gave us 1,200.
Okay, but the lowest common multiple is 2.
It's 2, 3, and 5.
So that's the
That is
LCM.
the LCM.
So don't call it 1,000.
200, yes.
That's not the LCM.
Yes, though the cases where we use that is maybe we're doing something like a fraction. No, just listen to me. Maybe we're doing something like a fraction. Maybe we have something like this. We have 2 over 50 plus 3 over 60. Sometimes we'll have something like this, the numerator and the denominator. We're asked to find the LCM of the denominator to find the LCM of this. So if we solve it like this, let's say we want to find the LCM of the denominator. We now say 50 and 60. So we want to find the LCM of this before we solve the fraction. So we now say 2 in 50 will give us 25. 2 here is 30. But then we say, at this one we say 2 here, we still bring it out 25. 2 here will give us 15. So at this point we can use 5. 5 here will give us 5. 5 here will give us 3.
What I'm trying to be clear on
Yes.
is the use of the word LCM.
Yes.
Lowest
Common
common
multiple.
multiple.
Yes.
So the lowest common multiple
Yes.
for 400 and 300 cannot be 12.
1200. 1200.
It's not the lowest common
Yes,
multiple.
it was actually 4, 2 raised to power 4 times 3 times 5.
That's the
That's
LCM.
the LCM, yes, ma'am.
So, last come you understand the use of that term,
That's
LCM.
yes.
How do you understand LCM, lowest common multiple.
Yeah.
That is the number, that is the lowest number that's common to.
Common to all the numbers. That's right.
You understand? He's so fascinated by you.
My start. If you're getting. Okay, I'm going to allow you to come and do this 5, 4, 4 and 6 to 8. So if you can try it. You can try it on the board, right? I'll come and stay down place you are. And you can ask me a question when you are doing this. If maybe you like going to the right, you can ask me a question. I want you to come and do it here. We have 5, 4, 4 and 6 to 8. Okay. Come on, try. Start with 2. Yes.
Looking for the lowest common multiple.
Yeah.